Ever wondered what happens in your body when you cough? Well, you're not alone. A cough is more than just a simple bodily function. It's a reflex action, a protective mechanism designed to clear your throat and airways. Imagine you're walking down a dusty road, or perhaps you've caught a cold and there's excess mucus in your throat. These irritants can trigger a cough. Here's how it works. Signals from the irritated airways are sent to your brain via nerves. Your brain, in turn, sends messages to the muscles in your chest and abdomen. These muscles contract rapidly, and voila, you cough. The force of the cough helps to expel the irritants from your throat or lungs, keeping your airways clear. So a cough is not just a simple irritation, but a complex process involving different parts of your body. It's your body's way of saying, hey, something's not right here, let's clear it out. Now that we know what a cough is, how can we remedy it? Let's explore a few tried and true methods. First, let's talk about honey. This sweet substance is more than just a tasty treat. It's also a natural medicine. Honey not only soothes a sore throat, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm the irritation causing your cough. Next, let's consider the benefits of inhaling steam. Ever noticed how a hot shower can clear your sinuses? That's steam at work. Inhaling steam helps to moisten and loosen the mucus in your airways, making it easier to cough out. This can offer relief, especially for those dry, hacking coughs. These remedies work in tandem with your body's natural coughing process, helping to soothe the discomfort and ease the symptoms. But remember, these remedies are for mild cases. Always consult with a healthcare professional if symptoms persist. But there's one more remedy you might not have heard of before. It's bromelain, a compound found in pineapple. This tropical fruit's secret weapon has been shown to help reduce coughs. How does it work? Well, bromelain breaks down proteins, which in turn can help reduce the mucus and phlegm in your throat. It's nature's own cough syrup, right there in a pineapple. So next time you have a cough, you might want to reach for a pineapple. Coughs can be annoying, but with these remedies, you can soothe your throat and clear your airways. We've explored the healing properties of honey, the soothing effects of inhaling steam, and the unexpected potency of bromelain found in pineapples. Each remedy offers its unique benefits, backed by scientific studies and age-old wisdom. Remember, health is a lifelong journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies.